bw'oba okkiriza bw'oba owakanya bw'oba tomanyi gyali babo.
Thirsty Rabbit takes to you. Behind me, everything's all shut off. But in front of me, I've got something to show you. Got a fish boxing. And I just want to tell you a little bit of something about it these days. These days, they just do the old drop and run. They don't even ring the doorbell, bang the window, hit the door. They don't let you know that it's here. And I work night shifts, so I've got no idea how long this box has been out here. I've just woken up and come out to check, and sure enough, it's here. I sound very ungrateful, but I'm very grateful. All I want to tell you is guys, you can still order fish online for your favourite fish stores. Just the couriers don't come to the door, that's all. So you just got to be home that day. You're expecting you're expecting the package, and you've got to be vigilant and listen out for them. Alrighty, guys, let's get this in there and give it an open.
Don't know what all them flashes were.
Okay, just got it inside. There's my address. Nice. Another successful cut. That wasn't the best cut. That worked out really well second time round. I think that was a bit high. Alright, we got it. Woohoo! Alrighty, what have we got? 4 bags. I think one's just a packer bag. Oop. Yoo-hoo! I think it's just a pack bag. Yep. Stop it from rolling. Ooh, something nice and orange. Oop, another pack bag. Got a bit of a G up. Okay, so we've got 2 bags. What have we got?
Viewer warning, in all the excitement, I said cat. They're not a cat.
Glass cat. Mutant cat, sick. Mutant glasses.
That's better.
And we have some emperor gudgeons.
You.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Oops. Awesome, awesome, awesome. More Australian natives from my brother's stash tank. Wow. His personal tank at home. Look at those glasses. Love them. Love them. Awesome. Alright, they can go into the Australian tank. And we'll acclimate them in a sec.
Welcome to you have it. Hey, what's going on? It's me, Thursday.
They can go in the native tank. And while we're in here today, so we got more of them. More of them guys. And we got more of these guys. Oh, that's going to be epic, 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 epic. Okay, now we have this guy. Do we have belly up? Oh no, we got movement. Ew. Another flower horn, ladies and gentlemen. The red fader. Woo! Here's your mate. Yeah, there's your mate. 2 males there. I think I'm going to put him in here. And then I'll put the little, in something, and I've got heaps of lovely little tanks around. So I'll put him up there next to that one for now. Okay, so they've been sitting in the tanks here for quite a while now. I've had a coffee, woken up a bit. What we do now, the temperature of the bag and the temperature of the tank are the same. So what we want to do now is sort of get the parameters a bit the same. So what I like to do is open the bag, and I learnt this from Majestic Aquarium many moons ago when he brought out DVD series back in the 90s. So here he is here, please go check him out. What an awesome bloke. Just bear with me a sec, I'll get this bag open. There we go. Okay, we're getting the wet somewhere now.
What, like the hair on the top of your head, it's gone somewhere.
Okay, so that's off. Ooh, you can smell that. So as soon as you open that, all the ammonia and the oxygen is going to release, and that's when the water can turn real bad real quick. That's what I like to do if I'm not using the bucket. Now this is what I learned on Majestic Aquarium. You roll it over, and you let it aerate a bit, not too long, and you get little cups of water, and you just add the water from the aquarium into there. You don't suck it off like that and let them hang in there. You don't ever do that because that's cutting off the air, and the air circulation is not getting through. All the ammonia is going to build up, and you got to kill your fish. So you just open it up like that. You open it up like that, let it oxygenate, put some water from there into there every few minutes, and all the oxygen in the water and the bad ammonia and whatnot can escape, can re-oxygenate, and you're priming the water in there and getting the parameters set. So you don't put it over the side like that. It's going to cut off the air. No gas exchange will happen. Very important part that a lot of people look past. Alright, we'll just get that in. Vanuatu. Put 2 in there for now. I'll open up this bad boy. Open up this bad boy. At this point of production, we've realised the name for the new fish. Welcome, Bad Boy, BB. Okay, so now we've got the flower horn open now. Just like the first bag, we're going to roll back the top. So all that bad ammonia is starting to, you can really smell it. Put that in the spot where it won't fall. It's bad boy 3. Sun's ready for another one. Okay. Leave that a couple of minutes. Do another couple. Leave it another couple of minutes, and then I'll show you the next step. Dad's Piranha. You. The Thirsty Rabbit. Okay, I've finished my little Canadian pipe there from Dad's Piranha. We'll start with the flower horn. You don't want any of this bad water getting in the aquarium. okay. It's okay. And look at this beautiful boy. Beautiful boy. Ready? You! Thanks, brother! Yoo-hoo-hoo! Stoked! Alright, get rid of the bucket and the water and we'll do the natives. Okay, same thing again. The only thing is, we won't call them mutant glass fish anymore. You probably won't find them. That's more of a common name down here, like a slang. If you want to search them up, you'll find them as sailfin glass fish. We'll get them in. And Emperor Gudgeon, last one out. You. Stoked. So now time for another water change in this tank. I'm doing daily ones and medicating it. But you, I am frothing, brother. Thank you so much, man. Thank you. You. Look at them. Yeah. Bit of fungi on that rainbow there. We said another bit of fungi on that guy there. But all the rest are doing pretty good. And this glass is not doing too good either. So 3 there with some issues. But other than that, the rest have really acclimated well. Coming from the wild. Like I said, still treating it with salt and safe coat. And daily water changes. We'll get them back to 100%. I've knocked out some plants, trying to catch Gambuzel. I still haven't caught him, but I'm going to get him. Little bugger. Oh, loving this guy. Ew. Always just seen the other flower horn. Hey boy, get someone to play with now, mate. Awesome. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And come back in a few days and we'll see how they go, eh? You. Thanks, brother. One love, one world, another
Fish unboxing and acclimate. Aquamate, go check him out. If you don't know this champ, he's the backbone of Australian fish tube.
Peace. Before you go, he's now in there next to Tex. And unfortunately, the Jaguar's out here. Giving him away. He's a big boy. Giving away to someone I used to work with. He's got a 6-foot tank that he's cleaned up since the lockdown. And I'm going to give him this Jaguar. Happy days for him. Bye, Jag. We're going to miss you. People all around the world are going to miss you. Goodbye. Goodbye, Jag. And goodbye, everyone. Peace. For reals this time.
See the ghost fish? Wow. Trippy.